how to fix this application requires iOS 16.0 or later on iPhone or iPad. So let's get started. First thing first, you'll have to do is update your iOS on your device. So in order to do that, go to the Settings app on your mobile device and scroll down and tap on the General option available there. Then inside the General, tap on the Software Update and first confirm which version of iOS your device is currently running. If your device is running an older version of iOS, you will need to update it. If there is an install or download option available there, simply download it. After that, go to the App Store in your mobile device and verify if the app you are trying to download or update is compatible with your device model and iOS version. Some newer apps or updates may require specific hardware capabilities or newer iOS features that older devices do not support. So, after that, if your device cannot be updated to iOS 16.0 or later due to hardware limitations, consider looking for alternative apps that are compatible with your current iOS version. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.